guys! It's me, Viney, and welcome back to my channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, ay huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para mas maging updated ka sa ating mga videos. So for today's video guys, isang short video lang ito kasi kanina nagla-live si Press and good news siya guys. Tingnan natin sa ating Facebook yung live ni Press. Yan, search natin yung Telepreneur Corp. So, ito siya guys. Nasa recent searches ko siya. So, click natin siya. Yan guys. Ganito yung itsura ng ating Telepreneur Corp Facebook page. So, scroll down natin. Makikita natin doon yung live ni Tatay Press. Yan. And then, nag-post na rin si TPC yung page niya ng good news. Good news, Telepreneurs. Hashtag, thank you for making us better. So, ganyan guys. Yung automated refund natin. So, try natin mag-load. And then, susundin natin to pagkatapos nating mag-load. Para malaman natin kung yung transaction natin ay successful ba or unsuccessful. So, punta tayo sa ating Telegram. Pwede rin sa Viber, pwede rin sa Messenger app, or pwede rin kahit sa normal message lang guys. So, try natin sa Telegram. Open natin yung Telegram app. Tapos, try natin mag-load dito. Loadan natin ng 5 pesos guys. Yan guys, loaded na siya. So, puntahan natin yung ating Facebook, yung Facebook page ni TPC, and then type natin yung RF space trace number and send to gateways, or pwede rin siyang sa 8724, example, RF 123456789, send to 8724. So, ganito guys. RF, copy-paste natin yung trace number, and then send. So, dito guys, sa post ni TPC, sabi niya, you will receive these messages. If successful, request has been received, you will receive another confirmation regarding the status of your request. Thank you! So, tingnan natin. So, ganyan yung nare-receive natin na text. Yung first text ni TPC. Pagkatapos niyan guys, ay masusundan nito ng panibagong text. So, ganito yung kasunod na matatanggap nyo guys pag successful siya. Trace number 123456789. Your transaction for 6391234566789 is successful. So, pag unsuccessful naman guys, ganitong message yung matatanggap nyo. Trace number 123456789. Your transaction for 6391234566789 has been forwarded to our tech team for checking. So, pag ganito guys, chine-check pa nila to. Open natin. So, ganito yung pangatlong reply na ma-receive nyo. Cannot process trace number 123456789. 9.80 pesos has been refunded. LC 9.80 pesos. Pero may pangalawa rin tayong reply guys. Pag mali yung inyong trace number, you sent an invalid trace number. Please try again. So, i-check nyo guys kung tama ba talaga yung trace number na na-receive nyo. And then, balik ulit tayo dito sa Telegram app. So, yan guys, hindi pa siya nag-reply. Antayin na lang natin. So, yun guys, check natin siya sa ating messages kung successfully loaded ba siya. Charang! Trace 105660190. Your transaction for 09 blah 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 is successful. So yan guys, successful siya and madali lang siyang mag-refund if ever na hindi siya successful load. And kung successfully loaded naman siya, ay madali rin siyang mag-text dito sa ating number para malaman natin kung successful ba siya. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Kita-kita ta ninyo pohon. God bless! Bye!